Hey y'all, Will Healy here, and if you've been watching my videos over the last couple of years, you know that technology like exoskeletons and wearable technology I think is just really cool. And the value this provides for manufacturers is just incredible. And I caught a video on LinkedIn from the feed engineering, and I'll make sure I link it down below, where they showed a construction device from Hilti exoskeleton that helped hold a tool above somebody's head. So I'll cut that in here. But basically, what I wanted to show you was exoskeletons have a really high amount of value for manufacturers in that it extends the careers of our workers, right? You know, it's so hard to find people. So we can invest in a technology like this that can really allow us to make it easier for a worker to get through their day so they don't have injuries in the work area. Then they can stay working with us longer, and it's less about their bronze and more about their brains, and we can use them longer in our organizations and have them be a part of our organization for a lot longer. So I'll cut the video in here.
This thing is awesome. You can really feel the assistance here. We got no assistance, and the tool already feels heavy. You really feel the assistance. No batteries, no nothing. Just pull, put it down towards your elbow, and lock it back in place. That's it. All day, baby. Woo!
So that was really neat, right? I mean, he was able to hold that tool above his head all day, right? He's able to do that. And so just thought I'd share that cool exoskeleton technology with you. When we invest in the worker and we invest in technology for the worker, that kind of worker-centric technology investment, it has a lot of high value for us as organizations. So until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?